This Milwaukee kit that is on sale at Home Depot right now for $1.99 comes with 5 pieces. 5 tools in the kit. So you get this very nice impact driver. 1/4-inch hex. Got a belt clip. Got a work light. Upper trigger. Uses the M12 battery setup. It's got a pretty good hit for it when you're taking out bolts. It's really handy. So the second piece you get is this drill. This drill has, let me change the batteries. It's got a battery indicator light, same as the impact. It's got adjustable torque ratcheting system so that you don't over tighten if you're using it as a screwdriver. It's a 2-speed gearbox. Uses the M12 system. This kit comes with 2 of these M12 batteries, a $70 value. We also have this work light. It's ratcheting. Has a magnetic holder right here. It's not super bright, but it gets the job done. Then we got this handheld power hacksaw. I think this is pretty cool because I have a big Ryobi, but this little hand one is could get into tight places, make the job really nice. It's a lot same as the other ones. It also has a power meter right here. It shows you what your power is on your batteries. We're talking 4 bars. Got the nice trigger. Got a blade guard. Not a blade guard, but a guard on the front here. Very nice looking little handheld unit. Ought to make life easy when you have to do some cutting jobs. Then we also comes with the M12 Charger. So this M12 Charger gets your batteries charged up pretty quickly. What am I missing? I am missing the ratchet. Yeah, we don't want to miss the ratchet, guys. This is my favorite. A power ratchet. Also has the battery indicator on it right there. 3/8 drive. Comes with a 1/4-inch drive adapter. When you're working on equipment, this really comes in handy. It can really speed up your job, make your job easier, and that's really what it's all about. Now, for $200, this 5-piece set comes with everything that you see right here and the tote bag. So once again, we got the drill. We got the drill. You get the drill? We got the impact. Very nice impact. You got the Milwaukee ratchet, the power ratchet. You got the power hacksaw. And you get 2 batteries. All for $1.99. Now I think if you price these out, they come to like $419 if you buy them all individually. And you also get the tote bag. Put it all in the kit there. Head to the job site or out to your backyard, wherever you need to work. Get your job done and move on to the next project. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.